Today we will be looking at a essential armor case from Urban Armor Gear for the iPhone 14 Pro. So this does come in two different colors. There is a black, which is the one that I got, and there is a frosted ice, which is the white version. So two different colors you can get for these guys. Let's go ahead, take a look at this. These are $39.95, so about 40 bucks for this case. Very, fairly decent price for cases nowadays. So keep that in mind. This is Urban Armor Gear. It's got some branding up top, very reputable, respected name when it does come to phone cases. They do a lot of drop testing, and they have a military specs that they meet for some of their drop tests. So here we have the 12-foot, 3.6 meter drop test protection. And then over here we have the built-in magnet for MagSafe, which is going to be right here. This is the slim protection, so it's a little more thinner than some of the bigger size cases that they have. Essential Armor Series for the new iPhone 6.1 Pro, the 2022 version. So that's the front. Take a look at the sides, top, designed in California, urbanarmorgear.com. We got Urban Armor Gear, rugged, a lightweight drop test protection. Bottom has nothing. As we take a look at the back, here it does give us a little more information. UAG drop protection, rooted in 10 years of experience making protective cases for your devices and validated through rigorous military drop test standards, mil spec 810G 516.6. UAG drop protection sets the high bar for protection. So once again, they are reputable. They've been around for a while, and their cases are, fairly recognizable. They just have the design to them. Very cool, very nice looking. So here we have impact resistant. They got impact resistant, screen surround, feather light, wireless charging compatible. So they do have some limited lifetime warranty, valid, it says valid for US sales only. I did have a case that I did send into them that started just kind of reacting weird with the environment that I was in with work and stuff like that, and they were able to give me some warranty on it, so that was really awesome. So I do stand behind their warranty. They do have a pretty good warranty when it comes to these cases, so I'm pretty happy about that. I did have the, I guess, the opportunity or the chance to test out their warranty, and yes, it does work. So let's go ahead, open this guy up, take a look. Inside just comes right off a little barrier that they made. We'll go ahead and get the box out of the way. Next we have the case. So taking a look at the case, it does have the bumpers, so help with that impact resistant. Got the bumpers on there. They do have the screen surround, and I will be showing you guys that once I get the phone installed. And then it is a fairly light. If I had a scale, I'd weigh this thing. This thing is light, not very heavy at all compared to some of the other bigger, bulkier cases. And it does have that wireless charging compatibility with the this in here. So let's go ahead and install this. The way I like to install mine is I start with the side that has the most buttons. We'll set that side in first, get the corners in, and then I'll be pushing down, or I guess pushing towards my pinky and then down simultaneously. And just like that, it has popped in. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this in like that. And as you guys can see, right here, there is that lip. It does give you that little bumper stick up on the corners, and then on the edge, it does give you some protection. So if it were to drop on its face, you won't have that many issues or any problems with it. So let's go ahead and take a look at the back here. Very big opening for that camera. Camera does stick out quite a ways, and it does. The one thing that I noticed is it does not lay flat, so it does move around a little bit when you do lay it down. They would have had to have made little bumpers that go on these three corners about that high to make it not do that, but that is not done, and I do believe that would have been kind of a hassle getting in and out of your pocket just because it would catch constantly. So just a little, little something there. Cool little like diamond almost pattern going there, and then they do have this wire, that charging piece here. Urban Armor Gear, some branding here at the bottom. Very cool design. It's kind of like a plasticky, silicone plasticky type of feel to it. Little rubbery, I suppose, instead of plasticky, little silicone rubber type feel to it. The edges here are beveled, so you can hold it in your hand a little bit easier, a little bit better. As I take a look at the side, we do have the sleep wake or the power button on this side. This is it's more, I guess, hidden, more camouflage. You don't see it as much. Once you know it's there, you will be able to use it, press it. It does press fairly well, but it's not like an actual button that sticks out. That, I mean, there's a little bit of a angle, little bump to it, but it's not like an actual physical button or a different color or anything like that to tell you like, hey, there's a button over here. It doesn't draw too much attention. It's somewhat slick, but you know, once you know it's there, you can definitely feel it and click it. The top and bottom, once again, have the bumpers for giving it a little bit of extra security, a little bit of impact resistant, kind of help protect, kind of brace the impact if your device were dropped. So here on the other side, we do have the volume up and down buttons. Once again, just like that power button, it's kind of it does have a little bit of writing on it, so it's got a little plus and a minus for volume up and down. You can find the buttons, and there's little slits around where the buttons are, kind of help you locate those buttons. Once again, it's kind of curved over a slight bit of, you know, slightly raised, just so you can kind of barely see them, barely feel them. And then right here we have enough room to get to our mute switch, so that is cool. Made it big enough to get in there. As we take a look at the bottom, we have an opening for the power for the charger. Got the opening for the charger. We got openings for the speakers and microphones, and then they got these two little bits on the corners. I believe you can put little lanyard type things through there, tied off, so you can have like a little something to put around your wrist and hold it if you were to do that. So they do not come with those, and I guess that's a little add-on that you could put on yourself. I didn't see any on Urban Armored Gear's website, but their little holes are there just in case you decide to do something with them. So overall, pretty nice case. 40 bucks, you know, prices nowadays. I definitely see this outlasting some of those just cheap Amazon $10, $20 cases. I can see this going the distance, and with that limited lifetime warranty, I would definitely not be opposed to running with something like this. So overall, pretty cool case. I you know, definitely like it. Something nice. So something I would recommend to, you know, a user, to friends, family, to go and check it out. So I will drop a link in the description below to the Urban Armored Gear page, to the link to this case. So if you guys want to check that out, you can check it out there. And that's all I got for you guys in this one. If you guys like to see more videos like this, check out my page, check out my YouTube, subscribe, and that's all I got for you guys in this one. Thanks for watching. Peace.